The Oscimed PSV2 vacuum model requires minimal assembly prior to first use. Remove the fabric filter assembly from the vacuum chamber and install the paper filter bag onto the vacuum inlet. Replace the fabric filter assembly and upper vacuum unit. Insert the black post cap into the upper extension and slide it into the lower post and secure with thumb screw. Align the lower hole of the saw tray to the pin on the post and secure with thumb screw. Loosen both screws and remove the black connector from the larger vacuum end. On the other end of the hose, remove the brass screw and set aside. Feed in the power cable from the handset. On the vacuum side, pull the power cable through and place the rubber sleeve in the circular cutout. Reattach the black connector and 2 screws. The hose is ready to be inserted into the vacuum. Ensure the brass screw hole aligns with the slot on the handset. The screw acts as a stop for the pivot function of the hose. Notice the tongue and groove design of the blade and blade seat of the saw. Align the notches of the blade to the blade seat. The nut secures the blade with a 1/4 turn in either direction. Install the vacuum nozzle by sliding it in the grooves of the handset. It will snap into place with even pressure. Secure power cable from the vacuum hose to the power module. On the other side of the module, insert the AC power cable and then plug it into the vacuum unit. PSV2 is now ready to use. Switch position 1 will immediately turn on the vacuum. Switch position 2 allows the handset switch to activate both the saw and the vacuum. The vacuum control knob adjusts suction power. And if needed, the fuse access panel is on the front of the vacuum. The saw is turned on with a switch at the rear of the handset below the hose. Thank you for choosing the Oscimed PSV2 cast removal system. If you have any other questions, you may always contact customer service at 800-545-6287 or cs@atlasortho.com.